All right, we're gonna end with a little stress relief breath. One of my favorites. It's also kind of funky. So if you're new to breath work and it feels complicated, don't worry. It takes time to get it sometimes. So I'm gonna first demo our breath. We're going to inhale for 4 and exhale for 4. So on your inhale, you're going to do 4 different inhales, focusing on pumping your belly. So imagine your belly button right here, focusing on it going in and out with your inhales, and then on your exhales, focusing on it going in and out as well. So you can place your hand right on your belly, and you'll inhale, exhale. So you might be able to see my stomach moving up and down. You might even feel it in your chest as well. So the key here is a strong, forceful inhale and a strong, forceful exhale. What you're doing is releasing any tension in your belly, and you're also increasing the amount of oxygen in your body by having this rapid breath. It's not for the purpose of passing out, so if you at all feel lightheaded when you do this, we're only going to do it a few rounds, so if you do feel lightheaded, just return to a slow breath. All right, so we're going to try this for a few rounds together. So inhale 4 times, exhale 4 times. Let's begin by exhaling everything out. Inhale to begin. Three more times. Take a big, full inhale. Exhale out your mouth. Do one more of those. Inhale fully into your breath. Exhale out your mouth. Slowly return to your natural breath. You can close your eyes. Sometimes it takes a little bit of a shake-up to return to our natural sense of balance, our homeostasis. And when we breathe, we're challenging our mind, body, and spirit in a way that allows us to come back home to ourselves. So I invite you in the next 30 seconds or so just to reconnect to yourself. Taking a deep breath into your belly and your heart. Noticing, just like how we started class, if there's anything different in your body, if there's any residual tension, you can release anything that's still stuck. Take one more grounding breath here, focusing on your connection to the earth. Exhale, let it go. I invite you to bring your hands to your heart center, maybe pancaking them over your heart, bringing them into a symbol of connectedness, palms to touch, bowing your head. I honor each and every one of you. I honor the fact that you've shown up for yourself on your mat today. You stretched it out, hopefully you sweated out, built some strength and endurance. Thank you. Namaste.